Hello, and welcome back to Decobloom. Do you dream of waking up in a beautifully chic, effortlessly elegant apartment right in the heart of Paris, but you are currently living in a tiny modern box? Today, we are transforming your small space into a timeless, luxurious French retreat. Let's dive in. To instantly double your small space while adding undeniable grandeur, lean a massive vintage gold trumeau mirror against your wall. This classic Parisian-chic bounces natural light beautifully across the room. It creates a magnificent illusion of endless depth and sophisticated elegance, transforming your cozy apartment into a grand, luminous retreat that feels incredibly expansive. Nothing whispers Parisian-chic quite like classic architectural details. By installing simple picture frame molding or a stunning ceiling medallion, you instantly inject historic soul into a blank, modern box. These elegant, dimensional features draw the eye, elevate your walls, and provide that coveted Haussmann-era sophistication without requiring a massive renovation budget or heavy construction. The secret to authentic French style is the effortless blending of different time periods. Pair a sleek, contemporary sofa with a beautifully carved, antique wooden side table you found at a flea market. This unexpected contrast brings a curated, collected over time energy to your small apartment, proving that true luxury lies in personal, fearless design choices. Wrap your apartment in a soft, sophisticated embrace by choosing a muted color palette. Think warm creams, dusty pinks, slate blues, and gentle sage greens. These romantic, subtle hues reflect light beautifully and create a calming atmosphere. They serve as the perfect, understated canvas for your vintage furniture and art, ensuring the space feels timeless. Elevate your small space by anchoring it with breathtaking statement lighting. Hang a sparkling crystal chandelier to introduce a touch of undeniable glamour, or place a sleek mid-century modern brass floor lamp in a dark corner. These striking fixtures do more than just illuminate, they act as stunning sculptural jewelry that defines the entire room. When space is limited, rely on rich, tactile materials to build immense visual depth without adding clutter. Drape a heavy silk throw over a chair, toss plush velvet pillows onto your sofa, and introduce natural linen accents. This luxurious layering of fabrics creates a deeply warm, inviting environment that begs you to sit and linger. In a compact, open-plan apartment, use beautifully textured rugs to carve out distinct living zones. Anchor your seating area with a faded, vintage Persian rug to introduce history and rich color, or lay down a simple, natural jute rug for grounded warmth. This visual separation organizes the room while adding layers of cozy, luxurious comfort. Even if you lack a working fireplace, installing a faux marble mantelpiece instantly anchors your room with classic Parisian flair. Style this architectural focal point with glowing pillar candles, an antique leaning mirror, and a few carefully curated objects. It provides a stunning visual centerpiece that radiates warmth, timeless elegance, and romantic, old-world charm. Carve out an intimate, romantic dining nook in a sunny corner of your apartment. Introduce a classic, small round marble bistro table and surround it with elegant, mismatched antique chairs. This charming setup invites long, leisurely meals and late-night conversations, perfectly capturing the quintessential, relaxed cafe culture that makes Parisian living so incredibly desirable. Preserve every ounce of precious natural light by dressing your windows in sheer, flowing white curtains instead of heavy, dark drapes. These lightweight fabrics catch the gentle breeze and softly filter the sunlight, washing your apartment in a warm, ethereal glow. This simple swap instantly makes a tight space feel incredibly airy, open, and graceful. No Parisian interior is complete without the vibrant touch of nature. Frequently bring home fresh, seasonal blooms like lush white roses or simple eucalyptus branches and display them casually in an antique ceramic vase. This effortless addition breathes vital life, gorgeous color, and a delicate, welcoming fragrance into your small apartment on a daily basis. To create a magnificent illusion of more floor space, carefully select furniture featuring delicate, exposed legs rather than heavy, skirted pieces. When you can see the gorgeous herringbone flooring extending underneath your sofa and chairs, the entire room instantly feels much lighter, less crowded, and beautifully elevated, embodying that airy, sophisticated French design aesthetic. Set a luxurious tone the moment you walk through the door by styling even the tiniest entryway. Place a narrow marble console table against the wall, topped with a gleaming brass catch-all tray and a striking piece of art. This functional yet beautiful drop zone immediately welcomes guests with undeniable elegance and organized, chic sophistication. Scent is an invisible but essential layer of luxury in any Parisian home. Elevate your apartment atmosphere by placing elegant glass diffusers or burning high-quality candles on a mirror tray. Choose sophisticated, nuanced fragrances like warm sandalwood, fresh fig, or heady tuberose to envelop your space in a comforting, unforgettable, and profoundly chic sensory experience. Turn your tiny bedroom into a lavish, hotel-inspired sanctuary by investing in magnificent bedding. Layer crisp, high-thread count white linens beneath a heavy, plush duvet, and arrange an inviting mix of sleeping and decorative pillows. This commitment to ultimate comfort and pristine elegance ensures your sleeping space feels incredibly indulgent, restful, and classically Parisian every night. Introduce an element of glamorous entertaining by setting up a vintage brass bar card in a corner of your living room. Beautifully display your sparkling crystal glassware, elegant decanters, and a few select bottles of spirits. It adds a sophisticated, festive sparkle to your space and ensures you are always ready for an impromptu, joyous celebration. And there you have it, ways to infuse your small apartment with timeless Parisian luxury and undeniable warmth. Remember, it is all about mixing eras, maximizing light, and embracing those beautiful, lived-in imperfections that give a home its unique soul. If you love these tips, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Decobloom for more interior inspiration, and let me know your favorite Parisian trick in the comments below.